This video explains how to sort a list of integers in the Python programming language. So without much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a first step for this video, we need to create an example list, as you can see in the first line of code. So after running this line of code, a new data object called integer list is created. And we can print the content of this data object below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that we have created a list containing 6 different integer values. Now, if we want to sort this list in ascending order, we can use the sort function, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this case, I'm simply applying the sort function to our integer list. And after running this line of code, we can print the updated list using the print function once again. And then you can see that we have sorted the integers in our list. We can also sort the integers in our list in descending order, as you can see in the next line of code. So the only difference of this line of code compared to the previous example is that we are specifying the reverse argument to be equal to true. So after running this line of code, our list is sorted in descending order, as you can see by printing the list once again. So after running this line of code, you can see that the highest value is at the beginning of the list and the lowest value is at the end of the list. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.